Woo-wee, guys. We are burning up here in Texas. It's 100 degrees outside with a heat index of about 108. It is brutally hot out there. Watching my husband, my dogs went out for like 20 minutes and they were ready to come in. So we are gearing up for a very hot weekend. They're saying that we're going to get a little bit of a cold front next week, which is going to drop us down into the lower 90s. We hope that happens, and we hope we get some rain because it is brutal here. So what am I doing today? The Schwan's man just stopped by, and I'm going to jumpstart our pantry with already frozen foods that I think is going to be excellent for us. So the great thing about Schwan's is it comes already frozen, and look, in this very large bag, it comes in three or four individual bags for individual meals. So these are pre-frozen. I got the harvest dryer on the pre-freeze. And with the world situation, guys, ramping up again, we have made a decision to invest in these veggies since the garden is in transition to the fall garden. So there were three in here. Transition to the fall garden. So we bought frozen veggies from our Schwan's guy, Don, who we love and comes out every 2 weeks. We used him tremendously last year, guys. So here's what I got so far. I have mixed vegetables, broccoli and cauliflower, green beans, and what else I got going on here? Let's look and see. I got some berries that I'll do, but I don't know that I'll do it this run. It may have to wait till after this run is done. I got corn. We love our corn. This is going to jumpstart our pantry incredibly fast because we think that it's quite necessary, guys, to do that now once again and get ahead of what could be a serious situation. Not sure yet, but it's better to have and not need than need and not have. Another one of our favorite things that Schwan's has is the hickory smoked bacon. We are seeing shortages here in our area, so I went ahead and picked up a couple of these packs. You can see it's 2 packs. And there's our bacon. So here's my spoil, guys. I got mixed vegetables, broccoli and cauliflower, green beans, corn, and mixed berries. So the freeze dryer is pre-freezing right now. We're gonna pop these in and we're gonna get them going. So another thing that we enjoy from Schwan's is the Black Angus beef burgers. These are uncooked. These will be going into the freeze dryer along with some frozen chicken breast right after these veggies finish up. We're hoping that these will finish up pretty quickly, maybe 24 or 36 hours, and then these will be going in. Okay, everything is in, it's on freezing. They're getting ramped up here since they're already pre-frozen. We're hoping that's gonna knock a couple of hours off so then we can get on to our, we got fajita meat, we have hamburger patties. Now we know we can't do those at the same time because the fajita meat is already cooked, but we can do the hamburger patties and some raw chicken breast that we have. So that's going to be next on our agenda this weekend. So as you can see, it's starting out to be a very busy weekend. This is part one of 2 videos I'll do on freeze drying our vegetables, our already frozen vegetables. Again, we're not able to use any of our fresh ones because the freeze dryer came a little late and our garden was already dying off, and now it's in transition for the fall gardening season. So be sure and hit that subscribe button, guys. We have a lot going on. We have 2 high tunnels to get planted. Our recipes will kick back in as the weather gets cooler. It's not cool right now, but it will kick back in here in the next couple of months. I did want to tell you that I freeze dried some tomatoes, some strawberries and bananas, and those cherries that I used that pitter on a couple of weeks ago that I did a video on. Incredible. I could not believe the taste, especially of the tomatoes. I did sliced tomatoes and I did cherry tomatoes. And the cherry tomatoes are so light, it's like a piece of peanut foam, packing foam, that you get with your packages. I mean, it was that light, but when I tasted it, the flavor was there, guys, and it was an incredible burst of flavor. So we have lots of little cherry tomatoes. I got more in the freezer that we're gonna have to do. Don't mind one bit, because if I can enjoy my tomatoes all year around from the garden, it makes it all worth it and it makes it all better. So we got lots of things going on with the freeze dryer. We got our recipes coming up. We got the high tunnels, and we got our seeds that I wanted to update you on. So I'm gonna fix to do another video on seed starting and how my seeds are faring in this extreme heat here in Texas, and show you just how they're doing. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Keep it going, guys. Take care, God bless, and we will be in touch throughout this whole weekend. Pray for us in Texas. It's burning up.